Well, we're gonna try a new kind of decoration on one of these backpacks. I haven't really tried it like this before. Usually when I put an image on the backpack, I do it kind of in silhouette, using the bark as the dark and then the inner bark as the lighter background. But this time I'm going to actually wood burn a fine line picture on it, like a pen and ink sort of a picture. So I took the paper that I used to make the oval, the template, and I drew on a little owl. So now I need to transfer this design onto the backpack, and I've been doing this trick since I was a little kid, is just flip the paper over, put it on a light table or a window, and I've already started graphiting the back of it, and this way you can see the lines that you have on the other side, comes right through. I get the dark where I need it, and then I'll tape this onto the pack and go over it again, and that just like carbon paper. But I don't have any carbon paper. I never do. Should just about have done it. There. See how much trouble that gets us into. There it is, all blackened up, and yeah, it looks like it's got everything covered. So let's stick some. Yeah, let's see if it works. This is just to give me a hint as to what it looks like. So I'll probably go over it again once I take the paper off. It's pretty much all I want on there. Let's see if it works. I see it. Does that show up? What do you think? It's pretty light, and this is why I'll go over it again. Ideally, that's just about where I should leave it without darkening it too much, because with the pencils like to come through. All right, so here we are. We've got the design transferred onto the pack, and I got a trusty little wood burner over here. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is go around and just kind of barely do it to establish my boundaries, my outline. Turn it up. This is a great tool. You can burn a hole right through this thing if you turn it way up, which I don't obviously want to do.
Somebody having toast?
Yeah. It smells kind of good, actually. There are some things that smell rather foul when you do this trickery to it.
Like what?
Oh, well, horn.
Corn, yeah.
And you can use a wood burner on horn, but you do have to put up with that foul odor. But yeah, it's so much like pen and ink drawing, which is always used to be one of my favorites things to do, which of course that led me into scrimshaw. Closer, I can see it.
Oh.